In this video, you will see proof that you can become a great artist sooner than you ever thought possible. I'm not talking about years, I'm talking about getting amazing results in 10 days. It sounds crazy, I know. I see you shifting in your seat. Another one of those get free money by pressing this button. Believe me, I know it sounds crazy.
Ooh, you bet it does. Crazy person over here, y'all. Take him away.
Wait. All I ask is to hear me out and be open for a crazy idea, because this has worked for our students and it just might work for you.
All right. Let's see what you got.
Whew. Thank you. Okay, here it goes. If you always wanted to draw cool characters like this or this, you have to know that you already have amazing talent inside you, but that talent is sleeping inside your brain. Yes, you are already an amazing artist under construction. If you don't believe me, just take a look at this building. You might think, hey, what a nice building! I could totally live there. But if we go back in time and see this, would you think, that's horrible, no windows, not even complete walls? Would you think that? No. Why? Because, it's just a building under construction, right? It keeps building up and up until voila, it's finished. So if this is not a horrible building, but instead a beautiful building under construction, why isn't this the drawing of an amazing artist under construction too? So you see, you really are an amazing artist. It's just that right now you are under construction, and in this episode I will prove it. So yes, there is hope. Even if you struggled with drawing in the past, it's normal to think that to learn to draw like the pros, you need to spend like 5 to 10 years to become really good. Guess what? That is not entirely true. This happens only when you don't know how your brain works. That's why most of us don't recognize an amazing artist under construction, because we have no idea how the brain works. All you really need is to follow 3 steps. 1, learn how your brain works, improve your brain, and speed up your learning like never before. While others take 5 to 10 years, with a powerful brain, you can only take a few days. I know, again, it sounds crazy. Just hear me out. You will start seeing amazing results in the first couple of days. Yippee! This woman and this little girl saw results in less than 10 days. But Mark, I have shaky hands. Guess what? I don't care. You can draw impressive stuff, just like Phil Hansen. Check his TED Talk when you have the time. So, lesson 1. Drawing doesn't happen in your hands, it happens in your brain. If you can't learn to draw right away, it's because you don't have the brain for it yet. Remember, you are a great artist under construction. The great thing about all of this is that your brain can improve. Nerd alert! If you like reading, check out the book Change Your Brain, Change Your Life by Dr. Daniel Amen. I will be explaining how that applies to art and talent. To illustrate how your brain can't draw something amazing right now, I will use an analogy of a student trying to lift this apocalyptic, ridiculously heavy robot arm. Let's say Sophia, one of our students, comes and takes me up for a challenge. Here's what you have to do. To deadlift this arm, just follow these steps. Tony, would you be so kind? Step 1, get in position. Step 2, grab the arm. Step 3, pull. just like that. Ready?
Yeah?
By now, Sophia is feeling confident. She saw how easy it is. Like, just 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, she can do this. Kind of like all of us when we watch a tutorial of an expert in YouTube and then, yeah, I can do that. Nailed it.
Okay, here goes nothing. Get in position. Grab the arm. And...
Pull it more! Oh, come on! What if we go all drill sergeant on her? Come on, you maggot! My granny does it better than that!
I'm trying!
Try harder!
Okay, you, me, outside, now!
What about some positive thinking? Would that help? Sophia, how are you?
Great!
Do you think you can do this, girl?
Yeah?
I can hear you!
Yeah!
Say it like you mean it, girl!
Yeah!
Alright! Go, 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 go! Woo! You can do it, Sophia! You can... Woo! Yay, Sophia! Yay! Woohoo! Very well done!
Really?
No. If Sophia really wanted this, then she would go to YouTube, find more tutorials, get some books and online courses. She would then intellectually understand everything. It would all make sense, but still, Sophia would fail at lifting it. Why? Because more information won't help her lift that stupid thing.
Ouch!
What do you think it's the one thing that will make everything easier for her to be able to lift that? Really, take some time right now. Is it more tutorials, more information, more courses? What will be the biggest game changer for her? Pause this video and drop your answer in the comments, but don't look at other people's answers, all right? Try to come up with your best answer. Let's make this interactive. Okay, so here's the answer. Ready? The question again, what will be the biggest game changer for lifting something heavy? And the answer is becoming stronger. That is the one thing that will make everything so much easier. The question is, can Sophia actually become stronger physically? For Sophia to lift this, she will be doing a technique called deadlift, an exercise that uses
quadriceps, glutes, adductor magnus, hamstrings,
as well as
erectors, lats, traps, rhomboids, abdominals, obliques,
and of course the grip.
forearm muscles.
All of that is activated during a deadlift. If only Sophia knew this, she could be training those muscles specifically and gradually getting stronger and stronger until, voila, she can now lift that thing without any problems.
Great!
But if Sophia doesn't train those muscles ever, she will never become strong enough. And no matter how much positive thinking she has, how many courses or tutorials she takes, like how motivated she, none of that will matter, because without muscle strength, she won't be able to lift that thing. Well, guess what? The same goes for your brain. Remember, lesson 1, drawing doesn't happen in your hands, it happens where? In your brain. And the muscles inside your brain that any beginner and you can get stronger when you train for it are
Occipital lobe,
that handles visual intelligence.
parietal lobe,
Those handle spatial intelligence.
prefrontal cortex,
Those are for body movement,
and cerebellum.
for fine motor skills. Now, fine motor skills is the ability to move your hands and fingers very carefully. You know what this means, right? It means that you are already an amazing artist. You're just under construction. And if you make your brain smarter visually by training for it, you will start drawing really good, really fast. Again, you already have everything you need inside you, and you just didn't know it. Scientists called this having a strong visual intelligence. I promise you, after you develop this, understanding shapes, forms, perspective, anatomy, shading, all of it will make so much sense now. So, lesson 2. Weak visual intelligence slows down your learning. Strong visual intelligence speeds up your learning. If we were to look at the work of a genius, someone like Kim Jong-il, and look at his legacy, all the work he left before he passed away, you would see the potential of the human brain, your brain. If we were able to go to the past and take a look into his brain, we would see amazing development and gray matter on the prefrontal cortex, cerebellum, occipital, and parietal lobes because of this scientific fact. Amazing artists have massive amounts of gray matter and more neuron connections, which means they are stronger in those areas because they are used for movement, vision, space calculation and orientation, and delicate, specific, precise movements. Because of this, he could visualize, feel space and perspective, and see intricate details on the canvas before he even drew a single stroke. Think of this as an RPG game where you are the main character. You start the game sucking at everything because you're level 1. But as you finish quests and get more experience, you will level up more and more until you become a true master learner. This leads me to lesson 3. Your brain is like a muscle. You can train it and become smarter. Nerd alert! This is called brain plasticity. Now, are you ready for the best news ever? Your visual intelligence doesn't take years to develop. So you can skip the 5 to 10 years of drawing advice to become really good. Instead, you can improve super fast right now by improving your brain first and then practice so you can learn to draw faster than ever. So, how can you work out these parts of your brain and start seeing results right now? How? Well, that is something that I will cover in the next video. If you're interested, bring some justice to that subscribe button waiting for you and learn how you can start building an amazing artist inside you in the next few days. So, recap. You already are an amazing artist, but just like this building, you are under construction. And for you to learn how to draw super fast in days instead of years, you need to understand the 3 main lessons of this video. Lesson 1, drawing doesn't happen in your hands, it happens in your brain. Lesson 2, weak visual intelligence slows down your learning. Strong visual intelligence speeds up your learning. And lesson 3, your brain is like a muscle. You can train it and become smarter. And that is how you can get results in a few days. How? By developing your brain first and then starting your drawing training. So stay tuned because in the next video you will discover how you can develop your brain. See you soon.
Oh, you gonna get it, man. Oh, yeah? Oh, take that.
Mark! This is how you do it!